honking, dude. Now he's looking at me. Look. See? Honking, looking. What the fuck? That's the last thing I need is anger management. I need people to stop pissing me off.
Hey everybody, we are filming in Chicago today. I plan on doing a skit on a longtime friend that I haven't seen for 25 years. So what better time to prank on somebody that you haven't seen? So what I have is I have some magnets here that I plan on putting on the side of the car. Here are some of the slogans that I'm going to be putting on the side of the car that are bound to get some attention and bound to get plenty of honks and create plenty of chaos that I'm hoping for. And the other thing is my friend had a hairpin trigger to his temper 25 years ago, so I will be testing that today, and I'm sure he's going to be trying to prove to me that he has changed, but we will soon find out. So come with me on a ride to Chicago. Here we go. Good deal. Hey, do you mind driving, man? I gotta get a report to my boss. Is that cool?
No problem. Let's go.
All right, sweet. Do it. All right, let's go, brother.
I gotta make a quick phone call though.
Okay, go ahead.
What I mean?
Yeah, I gotta find my battery.
A quick phone call.
All right, all right. I gotta find my battery.
All right.
I'll be right back.
What's he honking at, man? People are honking, dude. They're honking at me. So honking at me. They think it's cute. Now they're honking again. And I didn't cut nobody off. Pissing me off. You guys are looking at me and honking, and it's not funny. It's not fucking funny.
What?
People honking at me. They think it's cute. But that shit ain't cute, okay?
How do you know they're honking at you? We're in the middle of traffic. I think it's just people honking in general.
I doubt it. This guy's looking at me too for some reason.
Oh, dude, you got like a magnet on you.
No, but I mean, he looked at me like really looked at me. You know what I mean, dude? Like, what kind of look was that? People are honking at me, man, and I'm not happy about it. Why are they looking at me like that, though, dude?
The girl?
Like they're looking at me crazy. Honking at me for what? What's he looking at, man? This guy. Yeah, why is he looking at me and smiling, dude? What are these guys looking at? Hey, did you guys honk? You guys honking? Hey, all right. What are they honking for, though? Oh, and you got pictures. She's taking a picture of me, for Christ's sake. Why? Am I cute? See? There we go.
Honking.
She loves it. I don't know what she's honking at. Girl's just smiling ear to ear with a grin, like.
Maybe she wants you.
Not maybe, dude. She wants me. That's it. I'm sure she wants me. They all want me. Where you been?
These people are strange.
Why is he waving? I don't know why he's waving, dude. Got time for these guys, dude.
What's that?
This guy's smiling. What's so fucking funny? This one too now. What? Yeah, cute. Yeah, real fucking funny. Keeps looking, man. What's he looking at, dude? What the fuck, man? We got Porsches, we got BMWs, we got Mercedes, we got Sprinter vans taking pictures of me, man. Like 2 out of 3 people are taking pictures of me. People are looking at me, taking pictures of me. What? That's not cool. This guy's taking pictures of me. Another one. People are honking, dude.
Again?
Dude, what the fuck, man? Fuck you. Fuck
else.
these guys, dude. Look at them. They're all honking for some reason. Dude, I'm being totally cool, okay?
Alright.
You'll know when I fly off the fucking handle.
Alright.
Well, why are these guys all fucking honking at me, dude? What the fuck? What the fuck?
Dude, who is that? This guy?
Yeah.
Or is it that guy?
Both of them. Both of them, dude.
How many honks does that make today?
I don't know. They just keep honking. And looking. They keep fucking looking at me, dude.
It's like 5 in the evening. You gotta chill out a little bit, alright?
Take it easy, dude. I will. I'll be alright. I'll be alright. These guys keep fucking honking at me. You'll see. Don't worry about it. Taking pictures. There's another one. Pictures. What's he doing with his phone? Honking, taking pictures. What the fuck, man? This shit ain't.
Dude, calm down, man.
I don't know. Maybe he's letting me in. I don't know. I mean, I doubt it. I mean, this fucking guy's been honking all day long, dude, since Lake Forest. Dude, I haven't seen you in 30 years. What the fuck's going on? I know you. You're a fucking jokester. You joke around all the time. You play tricks.
Okay.
You're fucking one of those fucking kind of guys.
How am I tricking you?
I know you.
But I'm trying to do some work here. I can't control people taking pictures of you.
Well, you just do your paperwork.
All right.
Did you do something, man?
How can I be involved?
You had to do something, man. This is bullshit.
I can't control random people honking, waving. Jeez, you're losing it. You need some anger management.
I don't need anger management. I need people to stop pissing me off.
Dude, you're paranoid. I've seen you for 25 years. You're flipping paranoid, man.
I'm telling you, man. People are honking. Wouldn't you be paranoid? Honking, taking pictures. What the fuck, man? What are they? See? See what I mean, dude? What the fuck? That's fucking bullshit.
That guy looking too?
They're all looking, dude.
What's he smiling at?
I don't know what. They're looking. The other one's looking.
You got a target on
They
you.
got like, dude. Look at the whole block's looking. The fuck, dude. They're looking at me like I'm some kind of fucking freak.
Again,
This guy's looking at me.
Is that another guy honking?
This guy's got a Lexus. He's honking. What the fuck, man? Dude, I'm telling you, this is a bunch of bullshit. All right, I'm fucking sick and fucking tired of these people honking at me, taking pictures of me, looking at me. Fucking, dude. I mean, what are they doing? I mean, is this like, do I have a target on me, dude? Is it like, seriously? I mean, did you fuck around and do something fucking crazy, dude? Seriously, don't fuck with me. You pick me up in fucking Lake Forest, you think it's cute. Okay, yeah, let's go to the city. Huh? Well, why are these guys all fucking honking at me, dude? What the fuck? What the fuck?
Dude, I'm sorry.
Dude, this is a bunch of bullshit. Fucking bullshit. You hear me?
Dude, you're losing your cool.
Dude, what the fuck?
It ain't like
now they're looking at me because I'm yelling.
At me? What are you looking at me for? I didn't let me do anything.
I'm sure, yeah, okay, you don't have nothing to do with this. Now he's looking at me, look. See? Honking, looking. What the fuck? This shit ain't funny.
Calm down,
I'm serious,
man.
dude, I'm serious. Did you do something, man?
You gotta flip it.
Seriously.
What am I gonna do?
I mean, what the fuck,
I'm
man?
on my computer.
What the fuck, dude?
I'm on a computer.
People, this guy's looking, they're looking, this guy, look at this guy right here. What the fuck, man? They're all just looking at me. This guy's a video camera out. I can't even get out of the way. What the fuck?
I don't know what to tell you.
You know what, dude? Fuck this shit. I'm pulling over right now. You're driving. I'm serious.
Fine.
Look at that. What did you do? Put a goofy bumper sticker on the car? What the fuck, man? What did you do?
Just let me drive.
Fine. Look at this shit. I fucking knew it. I knew you had something to do with this bullshit,
you, man.
Jackass.
That was freaking awesome. Mercedes, Sprinter vans, honking, waving, taking pictures.
You're a jag-off. That's
Dude,
your
no,
jag-off.
it's good, dude.
You're
It's
fucking
good.
jag-off.
No, dude, it's
That's
fine. It's all
bullshit.
good. Taking pictures, staring, smiling ear to ear. No wonder why they're honking at you, huh?
Yeah, real funny.
Great. They all thought you were hot, horny. They all thought you were cute, good looking.
And I'm over here now.
Taking pictures,
Now I get it.
taking pictures.